Welcome to the root cellar hole. Can you hear me now? All right, well, at least we got started. This video has some good news and it has some bad news. First thing, the good news, we woke up this morning. It was beautiful this morning. A nice fog in the area. The temperatures had cooled off and we were really looking for a very productive day to begin. And we got out here at 7:30 this morning and started to dig. Then just 4 hours in, the machine breaks and we weren't even able to get halfway through the dig. The hydraulic line busted and it shut us down for the rest of the day. Well, we're 4 hours into the dig and that's not what you like to see. We blew a hose on the backhoe. I don't know if we're gonna make it. We want to try to get these footings in, but now the machine is down. This is how far we got. We had to stretch out this whole arm here and then get into the hoses, which obviously, you know, it's always nothing simple. These hoses go up inside of here and then all the way up to the top. So they had to take apart this fitting, take apart the connection, but we're trying to get it done. So once we get this back on, then we'll be back on track. Be able to continue even with the dig. So we probably just lost a good half day with the digging because of this. So we'll just have to see how it goes. We're on a race. This is a race to store the bounty.
I'll put us on camera now.
That's right, I got my evidence.
Get them evidence on us.
Do what?
He's putting us on camera now, getting the evidence on us. He's gonna see whether we're screwing up or not.
I gotta show this to your boss.
You gotta show it to your boss.
Kind of mixed emotions, right? It's like we've been waiting and we're getting ready to get it done, and then we start in on the project and we're really excited and we were lining everything out, and then the hydraulic line busted and reminded us that we just have to be patient and take it one step at a time. So our exciting day turned into a not so exciting day, and then we're going to get back at it first thing tomorrow morning. So right off the bat, we have good news and bad news. Yes, we did start on schedule, but yes, we just lost probably a day at least out of our schedule. Plus Wednesday is the holiday, so we'll be able to do some things here, but we can't get concrete delivered, and we're going to be tied up on getting things done. If anything involves going to a store or any labor outside of myself and Greg. So one thing that you have to do if you are planning these type of construction projects is just to be patient. Sometimes they take a long time, and sometimes everything goes off without a hitch, so you have to be able to roll with the punches. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys some Baker Creek footage. We have a lot more videos from down there. You'll be looking for those coming up in the next couple videos. This video here was a great video we did at Layman's, where the kids were there. We had a couple of the Homestead Homies of the Month. We awarded 2 of those gifts to our Homestead Homies, and hopefully you guys didn't miss that video. And stay tuned for more of the Root Cellar build. They're going to be coming out, and I'll try to get them up as fast as I can as the progress goes on the Root Cellar build. So leave your comments down below if you have any right now. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And the race is on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.